Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, overnight it was another choppy session. Nevertheless, the market didn't actually gain any renewed topside achievement. At present, with the resistance seen roughly around 72.40.15, the market still is containing the bulls from exceeding any further gains. Still, the market is still looking at the RSI maybe as a point of a bullish template, and that is with the marriage to the MACD supporting a further upside case. Let's see how the resistance holds around 72.50. Last time we challenged this level, the market was very much heavily bombarded by the bears, and it may actually do this again. In light of the current pattern, I feel it will fail and see a pullback towards 71.5. The euro took a stab at the level of 113 overnight, but didn't actually succeed further to the downside or little follow through. Still, let's keep an eye on this pattern in case we do see a short-term impulse to the top side, which could come in around 114 figure 15. I still feel from there the bears will ambush the market and then see another downturn. A clear break of 113 figure will give further indication to the downside. With all eyes into next month, with the US Fed monetary policy, with an expected rate hike, could see a further strength in the US dollar and therefore see the euro eventually tumble towards the bottom side of the broader range of 111. The dollar yen still a little bit whippy overnight, but couldn't quite break that level of 114.70. Now, we did get a low of 114.49 overnight and also posting a positive engulfing candle. But that being said, we need a little bit of confirmation to support the rebound further. As I highlighted not so long ago, that is, the support came in either from 114.70 or 114.10.20, and it seems that the bulls has stepped up their place. In fact, that the market could actually see further gains into today. That is, a move towards 115.5, and then maybe a possible retest to the bottom side of this range. Sterling a little bit whippy again overnight, and it has portrayed this pattern for some time. Locked in the parameters of 134.60 to 136.60, the market is still challenging the top side but failing, but still I feel the market will back off and eventually retest the bottom side of this range at 134.60. Sterling Kiwi took a crack at the base around 2.020 overnight and posted a fresh low of 2.0090. In light of the downside target, which was viewed around 2.0070, I feel the market did reach nearly its objective. So if I just lift this up a little bit, just to give you an indication where the target was, I felt was around here. So we did reach the first target on the downside, or to be more exact, 20 pips away from the objective. Still, the market's bounce is still very much lackluster to support a bullish case, and therefore I feel another test to this level and then reassess, because if we do break this level, then I see little support coming in until around 1.9850. As you can see from the three bearish candles, the gold pattern is still struggling to maintain its gains, and even to the fact is that the bearish divergence is still there along with the overheated ADX. You have to be a little bit on guard when it comes to gold, as the market still continues to play to the safe haven demand due to the Russian and Ukraine crisis, is that we could easily see a very heavy candle coming in here. So I feel the market will still possibly pull back to 1,879 and reassess from there, because the next target is 44. Wrapping up with oil, well, the market took a stab at $94 a barrel, failed to sustain. in the light of this decline in RSI and a negative MACD, I am still in view that the fact that markets should pull back to $86 a barrel and upside tests like gold should now start to fail. Let's see how it plays into today. Well, that's a wrap for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me, but please keep an eye out for the intraday report and also the end of the day wrap.